Hello, trading is closed on September 8th, 2014, and I'm Jeff Tennant. My last call was that there was a mejt target of 1996.61. I said it was optional, meaning it doesn't have to print, but almost always does. It did, and there was support right under it. During the day, the software identified the target with a white dot. It said the move there was a false move and that prices would retrace to the level of this blue line, which it did. The software in the mejt system is at its most effective when the market's in consolidations. I think anyone who used it today got his money's worth. When the market is trending strongly, I don't think one has to have a system. You just go along with the trend. But when it consolidates like this, it's good to have some system that you can use. Well, there's no target for tomorrow based on the system, and I have mixed indicators, but I'll make a prediction anyway. Normally it's positive when we gap down, drop all day, and can't hold any of the lows. What isn't positive is that we haven't overtaken any of these highs. So we're kind of in no man's land. Normally when you're in no man's land, at the close, you break out of the day's trading range rather quickly, ideally by having a gap. The commonest occurrence here would be for a gap over the high of the wall, and then finding resistance and reversing. If we don't take out this high promptly, the next most likely thing would be for a drop, ideally by gapping under this low, and based on factors outside the system, it would probably be a good sized drop. So we have conflicting indicators. Statistically, the commonest occurrence is to trade over this high early and then reverse. I think that's the most likely scenario, but if it doesn't happen, it should be clear by the open. And that's today's call.